My name is Muhammad Ali. I'm from Saudi Arabia Eastern Province. In this video, I'm going to show you my personal portfolio website that I built using Flask, Python, CSS and HTML, and some JavaScript as a part of my final project for CS50, my first legit computer science course. This is my homepage, where you can see my name and an animated photo of myself wearing two hats for some reason, and some cool colors. A short bio describing what I do, and a call to action buttons, because I heard those are good for telling the people that visit the site what the site is for. The other section of the page contains a cute cat image that says, "Click on the slides please," to let the user know that clicking on the slides might actually do something. When we scroll down the page to the slides, we can clearly see that if we click on one of the slides, the cat disappears and is replaced by two paragraphs explaining the technology behind this website. The other slides display some paragraph also, but since this is my first project, they are all coming soon. When we go into the signing page, we have some form fields for both the email and the password for login, and we also have a link underneath it for signing up or registration. When we click on the registration link, we are then redirected to the registration page, which requires us to type in an email with one password and another for confirmation. After we're done with that part, we are then redirected to a confirm page, where you have to input the code that was sent to your email. Now, having completed that process, you will be registered at the website. That's it for my personal portfolio website. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something about me and my work. Please visit the website at the image shown on your screen. And if you like the disappointments I offer, be sure to subscribe, and bye.